Okay, this is my arcade game. Anyone that's watching this, I haven't came up with a name yet. So, anyone that wants to name this arcade game can write in the comments below. So this is how it works. So, there's this, there's like this little flap here. I took this from, a checker piece. So what I do is I put it right by the cardboard piece and just rubber bands to spring it, and I try to get points and make it go into the holes. So it works like that. So until you get points, this one works too. There's two for if another player wants to play, we can take turns, and the other player can go on the other side. See, I got it in the 10. So where that go is, once I get it into a hole, it goes down here. And you take it out, and you put it just right back in over here. And you keep on doing that until you get points. And this is how it's made. There's some rubber bands right here, and I used a kebab stick. And so first I took the rubber bands and I put it on the kebab stick, and then I used some tape and stuff, and then mix it all spring and stuff. And so, like, I used it out of one box. You probably get it at the grocery store. 2 kebab sticks, a couple rubber bands combined in together, and scissors and packaging tape, and this little piece right here. And it's nice and fun. So if anyone ever wants to make one of these, keeping in mind what I use, maybe even make it better. So this is my video. Make sure you comment down below what you think you want to name it, and maybe whoever has the best, I'll use that name, and I'll use that name. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.